Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. So today we are going to read the dialogues on page 60 of your Get Smart Plus 4 and complete the activity on page 61. Before that, I'm going to introduce you to the vocabulary that you need in order to understand today's lesson. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Five minutes. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. 25 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 35 minutes. 35 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. 55 minutes. 55 minutes. 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Leave. Leave. Arrive. Arrive.
One. Where are the children going to go tomorrow? Listen and read. Good morning, class. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Where, Mrs. Rama?
We're going to visit the zoo.
Wow. How are we going to get there?
By bus.
How long does it take by bus?
It takes about 40 minutes, Greg.
Yeah.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning.
So we're going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50, right, Mrs. Rama?
Yes, Greg. Is that all?
Yes. Thank you, Mrs. Rama.
Focus sentence structures. So children, in this section, I'm going to introduce you to some sentence patterns or some sentence structures that you need to know so that you can use them in your daily conversations with your friends or family. So மாணவர்களே, இன்று இப்பொழுது டீச்சர் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய இந்த வாக்கியத்தையோ இல்லை இந்த கேள்விகளையோ நீங்கள் கற்றுக்கொண்டால் நீங்க உங்க நண்பர்களிடமோ இல்ல உங்க குடும்பத்தினரிடமோ ஆங்கிலம் பேசும்போது இதைவற்றை பயன்படுத்தி சரளமாக பேச முடியும். So now let's look at the sentence structure. How are we going to get there? So children, let's read the first question together. How are we going to get there? So what do you understand by the word how? How indicate in what means we are doing something. So how na தமிழ்ல எப்படி. So based on the story that we read earlier, we know that Greg and his classmates are going on a trip to zoo. So how are they going to get there? எப்படி அவங்க அங்க போக போறாங்க? இப்போ ஒருவேளை பஸ்ல போறாங்க, if you say, let's say they are going there by a bus, so you would say by bus. So by is used to indicate the means of achieving something. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா byனா மூலமாக. so எதன் மூலமாக, நீங்க எப்படி நம்ம அந்த இடத்துக்கு போறோம், எப்படி நம்ம ஜூக்கு போறோம், so நம்ம பஸ் மூலமாக போறோமா, so by bus. If it is by car, you say by car. So same goes for by train, by bike, by plane. Or let's say if you're going to walk to some place, so you would say on foot. So யாராவது உங்களை கேட்கறாங்க எப்படி நீங்க அந்த இடத்துக்கு போறீங்க, நீங்க நடந்து போறீங்கன்னா, so உங்க answer on foot. Is that clear, children? Now let's look at the second sentence structure. How long does it take? How long does it take? What do you understand by how long? How long means what duration? What is the length of time is taken to go to the zoo? So how long na எவ்வளவு நேரம், so எவ்வளவு நேரம் எடுத்தது அந்த ஜூக்கு போக, so the answer is 20 minutes. So we use the word how long in a question to ask about the duration of something that has happened, or the duration of something that is going to happen. So எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஒரு விஷயம் நடந்து முடிந்தது, ஓ எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஒரு விஷயம் நடக்க எடுத்துக்கொள்ளும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம கேட்கும்போது தான் நம்ம how long அப்படின்ற வார்த்தையை வந்து கொஸ்டின்ல பயன்படுத்துவோம். சரியா? How long does it take to go to your house? So உங்க வீட்டுக்கு போக எவ்வளவு நேரம் பிடிக்கும்? How long does it take for your tuition to finish? So உங்க டியூஷன் முடியறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகும்? So how long? What time does the bus leave? What time does the bus leave? So what time is used when you want to know the exact time something has happened or something is going to happen. So தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா what time னா நேரம் என்ன. So ஒரு விஷயம் எத்தனை மணிக்கு நடந்தது இல்ல எத்தனை மணிக்கு நடக்க போகுதுன்னு நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா நீங்க இந்த what time கேள்வியில யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க. So what time does the bus leave னா எத்தனை மணிக்கு பஸ் புறப்படும். So answer, it leaves at 10:10 in the morning. If let's say you want to know the time when the bus will arrive, so how would you ask that? It's simple. Your question will be, what time does the bus arrive? So the answer, it arrives at 10:50 in the morning. Read again and complete Greg's notes. Date 30th of May. Now let's look at the first missing information. Trip to the ... Where are they going to go? Where are they going to go? If you could recall from the reading, you would have noticed that Greg and his classmates are going to visit. Yes, can you tell me the answer? They are going to visit the zoo. Yes, you are right. Where did you get this answer from? You can find this answer from Mrs. Rama's dialogue, in which she says we are going to visit the zoo. Let's look at the second missing information. Going by. How are they going to get there? How are they going to get to the zoo? So do you still remember? If you say by bus, yes, you are right. So from where did we get this answer? We can get this answer by looking at Greg's and Mrs. Rama's conversation. So Greg says, wow, how are we going to get there? Mrs. Rama replies, by bus. Let's move on to the third missing information. We leave at. We leave at. What time does the bus leave? What time does the bus leave? If you say 10:10 in the morning, you are right. You can either write 10:10 a.m. or 10:10 in the morning. So where can you get this answer from? You can get it from Mrs. Rama's dialogue, in which she says the bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning. Now let's look at the last missing information. We arrive at. We arrive at. What time are they going to arrive at the zoo? What time are they going to arrive at the zoo? So if you could recall, Mrs. Rama says that it takes 40 minutes to arrive at the zoo. So what is the answer? It's 10:50 in the morning, or you can say 10:50 a.m. So I get this answer from Greg's question, in which it says, so we are going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50. Right, Mrs. Rama? So children, hope you have got all the answers correctly. If you have got it all correct, well done. Give a pat on your shoulder. That's all for today. See you next Wednesday. Bye.